Alright kids, so today we're going to be unboxing, what is this?
A Viewmaster.
A Viewmaster.
Yeah.
From Discovery Kids. So, let's see what's inside the box. Looks like we have a Viewmaster and some discs. There's one already in here.
Yeah.
Yep, there's one already in here. What does that say? Oh, Age of Dinosaurs is already in here. So what happens if you look through? Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, we have looks like a raptor. Alright, so let's try another one. What's the other slide disc? I guess you would call this. Oh. Safari Adventures. Well, we're going to take a look. Let's see. Have to line this up just so.
I don't want
Oh, there it is. We have. Having a hard time doing this. This time.
But that is a white statue. Like that is a white statue.
Oh, I think the reason why is it's not in correctly. Let's try it that way. Olivia's gonna do it.
Did it.
Put your eye up to here. Oh, other way. Like that. Now look into it. You see?
Yeah.
Do you see the pictures?
I did it.
You did it.
Now my turn. No, I want to. I want to one. My turn.
All right.
I want to have it on one.
So let's see what the other slide discs are.
My turn.
When she does that. We have Marine Life. So Age of Dinosaurs, Marine Life, and Safari Adventures. Oh, that doesn't work so well. You did it. All right. And that's the Discovery Kids Viewmaster.